Here is our problem. We need to write this fraction as a simple complex number, with a real part and an imaginary part. Right now, there is an I on the bottom, and we don't want that. To get rid of I on the bottom, we use a little trick. We find the conjugate of the bottom number. That just means we flip the sign in the middle. So 4 plus 5i becomes 4 take away 5i. Now we times the top and the bottom both by 4 take away 5i. Since we times top and bottom by the same thing, the value doesn't change. It's like multiplying by 1. Let's open up the top part first. We need to times each piece in the first bracket with each piece in the second bracket. Let's do it step by step. We times 2 by 4 to get 8. Then 2 times negative 5i gives negative 10i. Then negative 7i times 4 gives negative 28i. And finally negative 7i times negative 5i gives positive 35i squared. Now let's put it all together. We have 8, take away 10i, take away 28i, plus 35 times I squared. Remember the magic rule, I squared equals negative 1. Let's put in negative 1 where we see I squared. So 35 times negative 1 gives us negative 35. Now let's group the numbers together and the I parts together. 8 take away 35 gives negative 27. And negative 10i take away 28i gives negative 38i. So the top is negative 27 take away 38i. Now let's open up the bottom. 4 times 4 is 16. Then negative 20i and plus 20i cancel each other out. And we get negative 25 times I squared. Put in negative 1 for I squared again. Negative 25 times negative 1 gives positive 25. And 16 plus 25 equals 41. The bottom is just a plain number now, no I at all. Now we put the top over the bottom. We can split this into two parts, negative 27 over 41 is the real part, and negative 38 over 41 times I is the imaginary part. We did it. Our answer is negative 27 over 41, take away 38 over 41 times I. The real part is negative 27 over 41, and the imaginary part is negative 38 over 41. Great job!